Good evening, good evening, good evening. My name is Tom, and I'm coming to you from the desert, Phoenix, Arizona. And each and every night at the end of my shift, I give you a quick summary, an end of day summary of how my day went. And today, we started out really well. I'll show you really quick. These blue items here. We started out with one catering order, I break them down into three different types of catering orders. An actual physical catering order, where there's a purchase order and it usually shows one item. Then there's a large order food, and then there's large order pizza. And so I break those, into three different categories. And so I had one of each, and by 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I started at 6 o'clock in the morning. At 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I was about $50 ahead. So 6 o'clock to 2 o'clock is a total of 8 hours. I should have been at 160, and I believe, let's double check here real quick. We'll look at this. Go over to my other sheet. 2 o'clock, we were at 209.56. And so with 10 hours left, midnight, at $20 an hour, that would put me at $410. And it just seemed like the rest of the night, going into dinner rush, I just felt like I was being throttled, held back, slow offer time. It's just like things were just trickling in versus going gangbusters. I realized I don't believe there was football on tonight. I don't think that there was anything on Amazon Prime. So it wasn't the normal night. But yeah, that's how my day went, and it was very lethargic. But ultimately, what we finished with $406.02 and another $6 and change in a canceled order. So again, like we're talking about, that $20 cap. They'll run you hard in the morning, and if you're efficient at what you do, you know where to park, you're getting your food on time, etc., you're accepting offers. I have a $15 minimum. I think I declined one offer today, and I think I'm currently at a 94 acceptance rate. Going back over here to the sheet, currently up here at the top, I'm at a 94 acceptance rate, 100% completion rate, and a 5.0 customer rating. And so, with those stats and the knowledge of my market, I'm running and gunning and I'm getting stuff done, and they're paying me max dollars. But then it's like, hey, sorry, we can't let you go anymore. That's my biggest frustration. I'm optimistic. I know what I'm doing. I want to go on out there and make as much money as possible. But it's almost like I turn into the cleaner. Excuse me. I turn into the cleaner, and I start doing the trouble tickets, the jobs where there's going to be a canceled order, somebody already picked up the order, a difficult apartment complex that people don't know how to maneuver inside of it, or don't have the gate codes, things that would slow down most people. But I've got probably 98% of every gate code in my market, from apartment complexes to communities, and I've got multiple gate codes of everything, on a sheet. Obviously, I'm not going to show that to you because they trust me with the number. I've got the number. It's just my working knowledge. But at any rate, I'm going to end with that. Again, we finished with 402.62. We're going to go ahead and close that out. See what that final total was. Payout, cash out, 412.70. That's what our final total for today was. This may fail. I don't remember what time I did it last night. You can only do it every 24 hours. No, bam, in my account. Thank you very much. Quick rundown on the ratings to see if they're in line with my sheet. Oh, look at that. We got an on-time late. Filiberto's late. Delivered to Jesse. Dispute. Long wait. Oops. Can't do that. Long wait at McDonald's. Alright. Submit that. Accepted that. Back up to 100. Go back over here. Go back into ratings real quick. And now we're at 100, 194, 5.0, and 46,821 plus the deliveries for today. I didn't remember what those were. Let's see how many deliveries I did today. Let's see. Yeah, another bug in the system. Got to do it twice. And we did 45 deliveries today. So a good pace. I think in about 4 or 5 days I'll hit 47,000 deliveries. With that, I'm going to end it, start heading home. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again tomorrow.